Hi there, I'm Brian from Phone Models. I've added this short video clip to give you some idea of how the Blade 400 looks, both the box and the actual model itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some short video clips of it in the box and out the box. Bit of detail about it. It hasn't been flown, it's in pristine condition, and it comes complete with the 2.4 GHz spectrum radio. So without any more ado, let's go over and have a look and see what's in the box. Now, this is the reason I'm selling the Blade, because I'm building this T-Rex clone from scratch. So I need the dosh to fund the build of this. I feel as if I need to know more about helis and what they're made of and how they're built right from the very beginning. So all the bits and pieces are in the box. So I need to fund this. Okay, here we are. It's the Blade box. You'll also see that I've taken some stills as well, so you can see the stills on the auction itself. Let's move this out the road. So open her up. Here's the instructions. And here, instructions for the radio. Pristine. And the heli itself. Blade's still on. There you have it. Beautifully engineered and finished. Now you also get the Spectrum DX6i, an awesome radio. It's got a trainer in the back, trainer socket. Just switch it on. You can see that, actually says the Blade 400 on it. Can you see that? Okay, that's that. There's the E-Flite 3-cell 1800 mAh battery, brand new. Also you get the charger for it, plus the clips. Even small, there's a bind plug there for the radio, that's already been bound, plus some screws, drivers, tools. So there you have it. Brand spanking new. So get your bids in. Thanks for looking, see you later.